Pseudostratified Ciliated Columnar Epithelium. That's a lot. We abbreviate it as PSCC. On your exams, don't abbreviate anything. Pseudostratified Ciliated Columnar Epithelium. Remember when we looked at simple, one layer, stratified, 2 plus, pseudostratified. Remember, it looks like it is multiple layers, but all my cells are essentially connected to my basement membrane at that basal surface. It just appears way. So there are active cells. Remember, when we have those columnar cells, more ability to conduct activity. We often refer to PSCC as our respiratory epithelium, and I'm showing it because we see it in the trachea. And so I expand over here. This, from here to the superficial side, this is all pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelium. All those nuclei are kind of sporadic to make it look like it's stratified. When we come back to this, we'll learn layers of the respiratory epithelium to look at this as actually cartilage, and then this is a connective tissue layer, the submucosa. Not learning that now. Just from here up, this is all PSCC. How can I see it? What's unique to it for identifying it is the cilia. So on the surface, this is where I am secreting mucus in my trachea, and this cilia is an escalator. It's moving my spit or mucus up so I can spit it out when I trap in particles that could impact my lungs. So as soon as I see that cilia, I know I'm looking at pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelium. So the air is passing in this white area here as I breathe in, and I'm grabbing onto the junk that I breathe. How do I do that? By way of goblet cells that produce mucus. Okay. As I expand over here, I'm using this picture to describe what we're looking at, but you can see all these round dots are my nuclei, and it's spread out to where it looks like now they're stratified. So from here up, this is all PSCC. This is my basal surface. This is the underlying connective tissue. But as I come up, now I can see all those little hairs that are cilia. And cilia's purpose is to move them across the cell surface. This is pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelium. As soon as I see those cilia, I know I'm looking at PSCC.